This video covers what is assurance and the 5 elements of assurance for ACCA's Paper F8 Audit and Assurance. If you find this free revision video helpful, please let me know by hitting the like button. To view all the free revision videos available for Paper F8 and for hints and tips on how to pass your ACCA exams first time, visit my website www.accountingcollege.co.uk or subscribe to my YouTube channel. The International Audit and Assurance Standards Handbook defines assurance as an engagement in which a practitioner expresses a conclusion, designed to enhance the degree of confidence of the intended user, other than the responsible party, about the outcome of the evaluation or measurement of a subject matter against criteria. What is assurance? Assurance essentially is where one person, known as a practitioner, is giving some sort of confidence through their qualification and experience to another person, the user, that is something is correct or is in fact so. The practitioner do this by using subject matter supplied by a responsible party. The purpose of assurance is to increase confidence by giving an opinion about specific information, so the user of that information is able to make confident decisions, and to reduce the risk of the users of those services by reducing the risk of the information being incorrect. There are 3 parties involved in an assurance engagement: the responsible party, who are responsible for the subject matter used in the assurance engagements; the practitioner, who evaluates or measures the subject matter against suitable criteria. The practitioner is the party who provides the assurance. They express a conclusion that provides a user with a level of assurance on that subject matter. The practitioner is often a professional service, one which is normally paid for. Practitioners must be competent, objective, and independent. Their work must be carried out to expected standards in order for them to be able to offer assurance. The user, who is the intended user of the information. Consider an audit situation. The auditor is a professional who is competent, objective, and independent. The auditor provides a conclusion in the form of an audit report. The user, the shareholders, use this information to make any further decisions with regards to their shareholdings. The responsible party in this situation would be management, as they provide the subject matter that the auditors are basing their conclusion on. There are 5 elements of an assurance engagement. The mnemonic CREST might help you remember them. Criteria. There must be a suitable criteria for practitioners to judge the reliability and accuracy of the subject matter supplied. In the situation of an audit, criteria will be supplied in the form of international financial reporting standards. Report. A report in an appropriate form should be produced. For example, the audit report, which is presented to shareholders by the auditors, providing their opinion on whether the financial statements of an organisation are presented fairly. The practitioner must be supplied with sufficient, appropriate evidence to substantiate their conclusions. With auditing, suitable evidence is obtained by performing audit procedures and reviewing financial statements. The auditor will use professional skepticism in that they will not believe or disbelieve everything they are told. Instead, they will gather sufficient evidence in terms of quantity and appropriate evidence in terms of quality. Evidence that is relevant and reliable in order to support the auditor's conclusion in their audit report. This refers to the subject matter under scrutiny. In the case of an audit, it would be the information and backup that make up the financial statements and notes to the accounts prepared by management. And finally, a tri-party relationship. This refers to the 3 parties involved in an assurance engagement: the responsible party, the practitioner, and the user. If you found this free revision video helpful, please let me know by hitting the like button. To view all the free revision videos available for paper F8 and for hints and tips on how to pass your ACCA exams first time, visit my website www.accountingcollege.co.uk or subscribe to my YouTube channel.